If you want to post your Mailchimp newsletter on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to take an email campaign from Mailchimp and turn it into a social post for Facebook so you can get more eyes on your content without starting from scratch. This is a great way to save time, promote your newsletter, and keep your audience engaged across multiple platforms. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and open your account. Once you're inside, click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including the newsletter you want to share. After that, find the specific email you want to post on Facebook and click on it to open the campaign details. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Share this email. This is the part of Mailchimp that lets you repurpose your newsletter for social media. When you find it, click on Create a social post. Mailchimp will start preparing your email content so it can be shared as a Facebook post. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account if it isn't already connected. Go ahead and sign in and give Mailchimp permission to access your Facebook profile or business page, depending on where you want the post to appear. Once connected, you can review how the post will look before publishing. This is your chance to make any quick edits, add a caption, or adjust the message so it works better for Facebook audiences. Before you share, take a second to double check the preview. Make sure the text looks clear, the link is correct, and the post represents your newsletter well. If everything looks good, click share or publish, and Mailchimp will post it directly to Facebook for you. And that's it. You've now learned how to post a Mailchimp newsletter on Facebook in just a few simple steps. This is a powerful way to extend the reach of your email marketing and drive more traffic back to your content. If you found this tutorial useful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.